Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Firstly, if you are one of my subbies that messaged me telling me that I possibly could be on a drama channel in an exposed video, thank you so much. But as I said to you guys, no. That was in fact Caitlin, Miss Caitlin, who started this tag. Very, very creative tag, and it is items that I would steal, luxury items that I would steal from other YouTubers or bloggers. Such a clever tag idea. Thank you so much, Caitlin, for tagging me in this video and putting me on blast in your thumbnail. I had some worried subbies. Caitlin would like to come over and steal this little guy, this little pearl gem behind me. I told you, babe, if you want to come over and steal it, no worries, but we have to have a coffee and a bit of a chat, a bit of a yarn before you rob me of my Chanel. So I sat down and compiled a list for this video, and trust me, my loot list is absolutely on fleek, to the point where I would be prisoned hardcore, like locked down, guys, like Alcatraz juge. So many people write to me or look at videos and go, oh my god, aren't you scared of being robbed or being, you know, having your home burglarized or whatever? And I'm like, girl, listen, you don't need to worry about my stuff getting stolen. You need to worry about me stealing other people's shit. Dang, girl, there is some good stuff out there, good loot that I would love to run off with. So straight up into it. Miss Mel Soldera, I see you, girl. We are OGs together, and honestly, I think one of the first proper videos that I sat down and watched, other than, you know, studying Hermes in fashion college or knowing the house, one of the proper first YouTube videos when YouTube kind of first started, the first Birkin I really ever saw was yours, babe. I know, it's sentimental to you, but your black Birkin, 35 centimeter with palladium, I would come for that hard, because that is just like ultra classic. Then the creator of this tag, yes, Miss Caitlin, I would come for your Balenciaga bomber jacket. Girl, what? How'd you get that? That is lit. I love that bomber jacket. I would never buy it myself, but I would steal yours. Because I am newly a huge fan of the trendy CC from Shanell, the handbag, I would come for Claire's chevron powder blue trendy CC from Shanell that she just got. Oh, babe, it is amazing. When you sent it to me on DMs, I was like, girl, dang, she finds these amazing colors that just are done once and never done again by Shanell. So that, Claire, I would take that off your shelf. Thank you. This next one is super easy because look, we've slept in the same bed together. R-rated. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. We have slept in the same bed together, so we're like, you know, we're tied out. So stealing her shoes would be so easy. Jen just got the Shanell slides, which I did see in boutique, but dang, the price tag on those slides in Australia is like $1,250. I was like, I'm just gonna steal Jen's. If I ever get back over there to California, babe, we have the same foot size. I know that. I know that for a fact. Sticking with Chanel, Miss Shay, don't think you're off the hook, babe. I would steal your filigree, CC filigree flap. That is in the nude, the beige Claire, and then the black CC filigree. When you unboxed that and you were like, this is my new favorite Chanel bag, I was like, oh, it is really, really beautiful. Super classic. And again, we're friends. Just like Mel said, we're all friends. So I definitely could get an easy in to your amazing wardrobe upstairs and just... Of course, I wouldn't complete my list of thefts without putting Miss Lyd. I have to steal something from Lydia. And I decided, in her amazing home renovations that she's doing, oh, if you follow her on her channel, you'll see she's showing you all different rooms that she's renovating in her house with her husband. She has a Mikasa, I think it's a Mikasa line, like it's the black trim Louis Vuitton trunk. I saw it on one of her posts as a coffee table. I died, life was over. I would just, you know, back a truck in there and just take that out while they were at dinner one night. While I'm there with my truck, because, you know, I would go around in my truck to get all this loot and then jet it out of there. While I'm there with my truck, I would head over to your house, Miss Sophie, and I would steal all of your cars. What? Oh my god, Sophie's car collection with her husband is epic. I am a long-time rev head. I have loved cars for forever and a day, and I would steal all of them. Every single one. All your Lambos, all your Porsches, come on with me. I would then go to Maria's house. Hi babe. I am coming for that blush. My Lady Dior. That bag is stunning. When she rocks that in vlogs, I'm just like, oh, it is so beautiful. It's none of these blush pink tones back here. It's this powdery, you can't even describe it. It is so incredibly beautiful, and I can't afford Dior new, so Maria. Okay, this next one is one of the Luxe ladies here in Australia. Miss Love is Luxe on Instagram. If you don't follow her, you should. She is really high up on the purse forum, and she's in all of the Luxe chat groups and Facebook groups. I would steal her Shanell Camera Bag. I have never ever seen this. Like, I know I got this one and everyone's like, I've never seen that before. I've literally never seen that handbag ever before in Chanel. I have never seen her black one. And it's got a top handle too. And it's a different style to this. It's in caviar with matte gold hardware, I think. Oh, it's so beautiful. I would steal that, babe. Gone. Hey, this next one, I don't think she has, no, she doesn't have it anymore. She sold it. I remember asking her about it, and she sold it to a SUBBIE, I think. But if you had have still had it, Karis, your blue Zanzibar Kelly in Togo, there is something about Hermès's blues in those really, really deep saturated hues. So your Hydra, your blue Hydra, and your blue electric, like they're just so beautiful. That blue Zanzibar Kelly, when I saw her unbox that, I was just like, oh, and it was in Retourne, I think, as well, if I'm correct. Oh, it was stunning. Okay, I am closing up this list that would lead me to my incarceration with three entire wardrobes, okay? The whole thing. I am talking from luxury jewelry all the way to their shoes, handbags, all the way to their clothes. It ain't gonna fit me. I'm probably not even gonna be able to get my thigh into any of them, but I'm still gonna steal them anyway. 3 wardrobes, the complete wardrobe, walk in, one sweep, and it's all coming with me. Not just one item, all of it. Are you ready? Firstly, Miss Brandy. I see you, girl. Brandy, Miss I Am Lady Luxe, has the most epic entire wardrobe, entire collection. Unbelievable. If you have not watched Brandy's videos, I will link her channel below. She is the most gorgeous, down-to-earth, real boss lady. She is so high up in her job, and she is the real deal. She's a mama. She rocks it. I just adore Brandy. So I would steal her entire collection. Yes, babe, you heard it right. I'm gonna find where you live, girl. I'm gonna find where you live. This is a no-brainer. This is an absolute no-brainer, and I can't believe no one hasn't said this yet. Up close and stylish on Instagram? Are you kidding me? Her entire collection is coming with me, backing up the U-Haul, girl, and I am putting it all in there. Definitely not one piece of clothing would ever fit me. It wouldn't even fit on my arm. She's like a size -0, but I would steal it, all of it, every single piece. And lastly, of course, I couldn't end this without stealing her entire wardrobe, her entire collection. But Miss Jamie, listen, girl, your Hermes collection, just everything, honey. And I know I ain't your size, okay, girl? But everything, babe. Everything, Jamie. Your wardrobe is goals in life, in 10 lifetimes. It's unbelievable. You should be so proud. I'm gonna, you know, I think you've got like a fingerprint lock to get in, or a retina scan, or something crazy James Bond style. I am coming for your wardrobe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Caitlin for creating this tag. It is so fun. It is so fun because, like, kind of, it's not true, slash it is very true. I would definitely steal. I don't mind. I don't mind going to jail, because for that 24 hours before the cops came, I'd be so happy. I'm gonna tag all these girls that I have mentioned in this video. I will tag them all below. Please, girls, go ahead and do this video. Let us know who you would pinch awesome luxury items from on YouTube, or bloggers, or Instagrammers. Just let us know. Please do this video. I want to see your response. Shay, I know you're ready to steal something out there, girl. I know you are. Lastly, on the end here, how can I go without thanking all of you so much for reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. It has been a long journey on here, 8 years, but I have loved every minute of it, sorry, I truly have. And I have made really, really great friends in subbies, and just, you know what? We just get it. We share, we get it. It's a world that sometimes is really hard to share with friends or family, to talk about luxury, but we all get to share it with one another. So thank you so much for helping me reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I am stoked. I will work on something. Just stay tuned. You know me. I can't help myself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.